Good morning, Crypto-TA here on March the 30th, doing a quick video update, Bitcoin update. I haven't done it for a while in English, but I do see some interesting stuff, and I thought that might be a good reason to do it in English again. We'll try to do it as quick as possible. We do have here a range about to break out and break the previous range high, and not to you can't see a lot here. What we do to the upside I will show you in another chart, in the Elliott wave chart, but this is still interesting to look at the lower time frames. Let me check. So last week we had this correction which I predicted. Last time I did a video I said something like this. That happened. In my Elliott wave chart I had a green box here, and that played out nicely. We bounced, we came back in the range, first leg up exactly to the range mid, consolidation, a breakout yesterday on the Visa news, and looks like we continue higher. First target here would be the previous range high or this one, but I think we have lots more to come. So yeah, I'm playing this, or in our group we play this in different time frames. I do have a trade open with a take profit around here, or maybe extending to here. Then I will look for new setups. Another member is in a trade since about, I think, 40k, aiming for 100k, and we have another team member who offered trade setups from 53, and he is just adding here for also a much higher target. So we do have trades on all kinds of time frames. That's nice, and therefore I am closing my trade pretty soon, and then look for any pullbacks to get in for the next run. This is actually my trade. Entered here and looking for this, taking out these stops, or maybe even trailing it higher to the next level. What I said, not much to see here. The most interesting is for me on my Elliott wave chart. Let's go to the daily. I just changed my labeling a bit, and we did have from last year 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're doing 5, and that's where I also changed my my labeling, because I did have 3 over here, and I was in doubt if 4 was in place here or not. But after some puzzling, I decided to go for this setup, and that means that we are in that cycle, coming down from last year. 3, 4 is already ended, and now we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with first target around 72,000. Let me go to the 1 hour. So this is leg number 1 and 2, and I will explain in my 4 hour chart what I'm looking at. So this is the first leg. This is the correction last week. We bounced from here and we broke out of that bull flag, and that's interesting. Yesterday I was looking for a move to the CME gap to fill it, but I'm starting to doubt if we still go and close that gap, because it seems unlikely to me that we go back into this channel. That would be pretty disappointing, and even make it worrisome if we do not make a bigger correction to the downside. As long as we are not above that level here, the risk is there. But I'm looking at, when I look at this move, it looks pretty Pretty impulsive, looks good. I think we can see more upside instead of making that move. Now, we do have that bull flag, we break out. Let's see how this move is going. Let me go to the 1 hour because I do have some alternatives here. We might have like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction. Could even go here and then up again. And this is what I also tweeted yesterday. This scenario would fill the CME gap, but yeah, I'm starting to feel that it is unlikely. Another possibility is this move: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, and we do have 1, 2 finished yesterday, and this is 3 where we are doing 1, 2, and now in 3, 4, 5. So there is a small possibility we do get this move. I doubt, but it's still possible. On the other hand, I do have here 1, 2, 3, 4. One more up would complete 5, and also this in 5 legs. Could also just go here and then up again. So lower time frame is a bit tricky. The higher time frame is more clear to me, and the system I always use to define my targets is giving me a target for this is your first leg, second leg, gives me a target of $72,000 for Bitcoin, but that is just leg number 3. Leg number 4 should be somewhere here, and leg number 5 could bring us way up above 80,000. Same idea would give us a target for Ether, and so then you do have here 1, 2, 3 going towards 2,300. One more thing I wanted to look for to explain. Let me get this one out. Yeah, I'm I'm not a professional YouTuber, you know. I'm charting and explaining what I see, and I do not prepare this for hours. I wanted to explain why I think it's unlikely to fill that CME gap around here, because we do have this rejection at range mid, consolidated, brewing, and then broke that range mid. We retested it. I think that is more or less finished, and we should go up. As long as we stay above range mid, let's say 56,600, I do not expect this CME gap to get filled, and it starts to look to me that Bitcoin is that strong again that we'll keep that gap open. So even if we drop a little bit, it might even be to 52 or 53,000. After that, I still expect a bigger bounce, because then we are going for this move 1, 2, then still 3, 4, 5 up and away towards, what was it, 72,000. Looking good, and I hope this helps you in your trading, and wish you good luck with that. Thanks for watching. Ciao.